Tree Cutting and Trimming Baldwin. Whenever you need tree service, you can always depend on Tree Cutting and Trimming Baldwin. Tree Cutting and Trimming Baldwin is family owned and operated with decades of experience under our belt. We have the expertise and the knowledge needed to provide outstanding tree services to both commercial and residential projects. We pride ourselves on having the latest and most technologically advanced equipment available. We have professional and courteous crews, a fully staffed office to assist you, and a reputation for impeccable service and reliability. Pride in doing a job well done is the cornerstone of our customer satisfaction and the highest consumer affairs rating of any tree service on Long Island. Call us 516-589-8502 to get a free estimate. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutney.com. Or contact us through phone 516-589-8502. You can visit our office, 1648 Grand Avenue No. 42A, Baldwin, New York 11510, United States. Tree Cutting and Trimming Baldwin.